sprawling beachfront illumination and majestic mountains. These are the sensual influences of artist Mikkalina Nordberg's childhood. Mikkalina's artistic life began with a needle and thread in her hands, but it was glass that captivated her imagination. The mysteries of light, shadow, a menagerie of colors, and the endless possibilities of form proved to be Mikkalina's palette of choice. However, the art of breathing life into glass is no easy task. In fact, not knowing if a creation of the mind will be successfully manifested into reality is the most exciting part of the process. Mikkalina's specialty is the simple and yet sparkling interpretation of colorful city life in the Faroe Island. MikkalinaGlas, handmade glass from Faroe Island.